So a bunch of you guys have been asking me if it's okay to use Stars and Stripes on a quad. So we're gonna find out on mine.
Open that bad boy up.
Put it down. I bought this just for the question.
What's the question?
Well, can we wash it with Stars and Stripes?
You bought this quad just for that?
Of course. I take my job seriously, dude. Let me crack these open. They've been sealed for my protection. So I already have about 3/4 of these topped off with water, and then the remainder I'll just fill up with this stuff. 3 or 4 to 1. These are ready to go. But before we do that, I'm gonna hit this thing down with a turbo nozzle real quick, just because it's got like 6 inches of mud on there. And that's not reasonable to just throw soap over mud. So in this situation, I'm gonna pre-rinse. Come on. That was a huge mess, but we're all set now. This thing has been rinsed down, it's mud free. You can see what's still left over without using soap. So let's hit this thing with Stars and Stripes and see how it comes out. Here comes the stripes. Boom. Here we go. I think the consensus is that it can be done. You can use the Stars and Stripes on it. We drove it as fast as we could to try and dry it off, and we did. Not 100% dry yet, but it looks pretty good. This is the spot where we were wiping with our hands. This is where we wiped before.
Way better than just with the nozzle.
Yeah, I got it a little dirty again, messing around just now, but it looks pretty good. It makes it look like new again.
Woo. Nice.